Guys, Average Tech Guy here, and I am back with another comparison video. You asked for it, so you get it. This is the OtterBox Symmetry 360 series for the iPad Pro 11. This is the Zugu case for the iPad Pro 11. Let's get it on. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, you know that this has been one of my favorite cases. This is the very first case that I got for the iPad Pro 11. It has been one of the best. It protects my pencil at all times on the sides. It provides me with this hard backing at all times. Magnetic front. It does sleep wake. It has all the cutouts in the right places. Magnet on this little flap. Once you even fold it back, you can hold that magnetically closed just like that. This case has been great. It's done everything that I've needed it to do. And then I met Zugu Case. Now this thing has a very premium feel to it. It has a nice lining on both sides. You're going to be protected front and back. It does auto sleep wake. It gives you two separate ways that you can hold your Apple Pencil. One here on the side. If I can show you that, boom. It does support charging, and you can safely put it down in this little pocket. You have magnets here that allow you to fold this back and stand it in any angle, basically along this edge right here. So I'm going to get the iPad on in both of these cases and just check it out and see which one is going to be my new case. First off, we will give it to the OtterBox. Now, you guys, like I said, you guys know that OtterBox has been one of my favorite cases. You have a nice rubber lining on the edges. It's really protected. Front is protected. Boom. There you go. It's nice. It's sleek. You can still see your Apple insignia from the back. Once you put your pencil here, it does charge. Let's make sure it's got the auto sleep wake. I'm gonna close it, open it, close it, open it. We know that that does work. See, I'm getting comments right now about Zugu Case versus OtterBox. I'm doing the video right now. So Sandra Smith, I'm gonna shout you out because you left that comment. Charging does work. There we go. It is a beautiful case. No lie, it feels really good in the hand. It does not make the iPad terribly heavy. Like I said, you have standing just like so. You also have a true typing mode that you can put it in just like that. But down here, it feels over time, it has become a little weak on these smaller rubber pieces. I'm not knocking it, but I'm just saying what I've noticed. And also the back has gotten a little scratched up. Now I know it's a little smudgy right now. I'm gonna wipe that down. So I got fingerprints on it, but over time you build up these little scratches. Now it's not a big deal, but that's just something that I've noticed. Now let's move over to the Zugu case, and then I'll tell you which one that I prefer using now. Here we go. Zugu case. I'm gonna open it up. I am going to get the iPad down in there. Okay, got it in. First off, this will go. Auto sleep wake is on board. Apple Pencil charging is a go. There we go. It is charging. Let's make sure we get that on camera. Boom. There we go. Apple Pencil can be stored back here as well. So that's one up that you got. Now remember, this does protect your Apple Pencil at all times, but here you can charge on the go, or you have this option in the back. I like that. You got magnets down here. And remember, you are going to have this little flap. So the front is not going to fall out. Now the front does not fall out over here either, just because it's got that magnetic clasp. There we go. I'm going to stand this up. Your magnets are in all of these, and you can go all the way here. And if you need to type, that's how you're going to do your typing. Buttons over here. nice and tactile. Camera's out, but camera is also protected. It sits down in this little recess, so you're not going to get it scratched up or anything. This is an all-around good case. It's protective, hard rubber edges, hard backing. It is very protective. So I'm having a hard time choosing, so I'm not going to choose. I like both of these cases. Both of them do exactly what they're supposed to do. They actually protect my iPad. There's no bending going on. There's no risk of bending. Once you put the iPad in either of these cases, your iPad is going to be protected. So there we have it. I'm not going to choose between these two cases. I'll let you guys decide. You let me know which one that you like the best. The Zugu case is a great case. Very premium built. Has magnets on front, magnets on the back. OtterBox as well. Very premium. Nice build. Magnetic front. Clear backing. Only you get those little scratches, but it's okay. The thing that may separate them is price. The Symmetry series is going to run you about 80 bucks. Over here, you're going to be able to get this one for 59 bucks. So $30 difference may be able to help you make up your mind. So this has been my comparison. Like I said, I'm not going to pick a clear winner because I like both of them. I can't just choose one over the other. But what I will tell you that later on this week, you will get to see OtterBox, Zugu versus UAG. So I'll do a comparison between all three of these. All three of these are great cases, but we'll see which one is going to basically win out over all of these. So thanks for watching. Please be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.